friends, welcome to Motivational and Educational channel. Today we are learning next topic. Heredity and Variation. Chapter 16. Class 9. Science and Technology Part 2. Exercises. Question 1. Complete the following sentences by choosing the appropriate words from the brackets. Words: inheritance, sexual reproduction, asexual reproduction, chromosomes, DNA, RNA, gene. A. Hereditary characters are transferred from parents to offsprings by gene. Hence, they are said to be structural and functional units of heredity. B. Organisms produced by asexual reproduction show minor variations. C. The component which is in the nuclei of cells and carries the hereditary characteristics is called chromosome. D. Chromosomes are mainly made up of DNA. E. Organisms produced through sexual reproduction show major variations. Question 2. Explain the following. Dear students, easy and point-wise answers are specially made for you. For writing questions and answers, please take the screenshot of slide for the required question. If you like the video, press the like button, subscribe my channel for more chapter videos, and press the bell icon for notification. Thank you. Explain Mendel's monohybrid progeny with the help of any one cross. Answer. The cross between two pure parents differing in one pair of contrasting characters is called monohybrid cross. In parent P1 generation, Mendel referred to the tall pea plant as dominant, and it is denoted by capital TT letter, and short plant as recessive, and it is denoted by small tt letter. When he crossed tall plant with dwarf plant, he got first filial generation, and all the plants in F1 generation were tall, but their genotype was capital T small t later. He further crossed F1 generation plants and he got second filial generation, F2, using self-fertilization. In the F2 generation, both tall and dwarf types of plants appeared. Out of 929 pea plants, 705 were tall and 224 were short. Thus, their phenotype ratio of this plant is 3:1 and genotype ratio is 1:2:1. Mendel's experiment of the monohybrid cross is shown below with the help of Punnett square. Explain Mendel's dihybrid ratio with the help of any one cross. Answer. The cross between two pure parents differing in two pairs of contrasting characters is known as a dihybrid cross. Mendel used pea plants producing rounded and yellow colored seeds, capital RRYY as a dominant character, and plants producing wrinkled and green seeds, small rryy later as a recessive character. When he crossed parents, that is plants producing yellow round seeds and green wrinkled seeds, he got first filial generation F1. All the plants in F1 generation were producing round and yellow seeds, but their genotype was shown by letter capital R, small r, capital Y, small y. He further crossed F1 generation plants and he got second filial generation F2 using self-fertilization. In the second filial generation, he got 16 different combinations through the union of 4 types of male gametes and 4 types of female gametes. The phenotype ratio produced was 9:3:3:1. 9 round yellow, 3 wrinkled yellow, 3 round green and 1 wrinkled green plants. Genotype ratio was 1:2 is to 2 is to 4 is to 1 is to 2 is to 1 is to 2 is to 1 as shown below. Mendel's experiment of dihybrid cross is shown below with the help of Punnett square. Distinguish between monohybrid and dihybrid cross. Monohybrid cross. Dihybrid cross. The cross between two pure parents differing in a one pair of contrasting characters is called monohybrid cross. The cross between two pure parents differing in a two pair of contrasting characters is called dihybrid cross. The phenotype ratio is 3:1. The phenotype ratio is 9:3:3:1. Genotype ratio is 1:2:1. Genotype ratio is 1:2:4:1:2:1:1:2:1. In F2 generation, phenotypically there are two types of plants, whereas genotypically there are three types of plants. In F2 generation, phenotypically there are 4 types of plants, whereas genotypically there are 9 types of plants. Is it right to avoid living with a person suffering from a genetic disorder? Answer. Diseases or disorders occurring due to abnormalities in chromosomes and mutations in genes in the embryonic stage are called genetic disorders. It is not an infected disease. It is transmitted only from parents to offspring. Later in life, it is incurable. Such people need help and support. Parents also need lots of empathy and support. We must help them as much as we can. Thus, it is wrong to avoid living with a person suffering from a genetic disorder. Question 3. Answers the following questions in your own words. What is meant by chromosome? Explain its types. Answer. The structure in the nucleus of cell that carries the hereditary characteristics is called the chromosome. It is made up mainly of nucleic acids and proteins. Genes which contain the information about hereditary characteristics in coded form are located on chromosomes. There is a constricted region on each chromosome. It is called as a centromere. This divides the chromosome into two parts. Each part is called an arm. Depending upon position of centromere, 4 types of chromosomes are 1. Metacentric. Structure. The centromere is exactly at the midpoint. Chromatid arm. The arms of these chromosomes are equal in length. Visible pattern V-shaped. 2. Submetacentric. The centromere is somewhere near the midpoint of this chromosome. One arm is slightly shorter than the other. L-shaped. 3. Acrocentric. The centromere is near one end of this chromosome. One arm is much smaller than other. J-shaped. 4. Telocentric. The centromere is right at the end of this chromosome. Consists of only one arm. I-shaped. Types of chromosomes according to their structure and function are 1. Homologous chromosomes. The pair consists of similar chromosomes by shape and organization. 2. Heterologous chromosomes. The chromosomal pairs are not similar. 3. Sex chromosomes or allosomes that decide the sex of the sexually reproducing organisms. 4. Somatic chromosomes or autosomes that decides the body characters other than sex. Describe the structure of the DNA molecule. Answer. According to Watson and Crick, DNA model has two parallel threads of nucleotides which are coiled around each other. Thus it is called the double helix and looks like a ladder. Each nucleotide consists of deoxyribose sugar, phosphoric acid and nitrogen base. There are 4 types of nitrogenous bases: adenine, guanine, thymine, cytosine. Adenine and guanine are called as purines, while cytosine and thymine are called pyrimidines. The 2 threads of the DNA molecule is made up of alternately joined molecules of sugar and phosphoric acid. Each rung of the ladder is a pair of nitrogenous bases joined by hydrogen bonds. Adenine always pair with thymine and cytosine always pair with guanine. Express your opinion about the use of DNA fingerprinting. Answer: DNA fingerprinting is the ultra-modern technique. The sequence of the gene in the DNA of any person can be understood using this technique. It is useful to identify the lineage and to identify criminals, because it is unique to every person. To identify the unclaimed dead bodies, in case of disputed parentage, DNA fingerprinting technique is used. It is used in genomics, study of agriculture, and forensic medicine. Explain the structure, function, and types of RNA. Answer: RNA is the second important nucleic acid. It is made up of ribose sugar, phosphate molecules, and 4 types of nitrogenous bases: adenine, guanine, cytosine, and uracil. The nucleotide, that is the smallest unit of the chain of the RNA molecule. It is formed by a combination of a ribose sugar, phosphate molecule, and one of the nitrogenous bases. Large numbers of nucleotides are bonded together to form the micromolecule of RNA. There are 3 types of RNA. 1. Ribosomal RNA. The molecule of RNA, which is a component of the ribosome organelle, is called a ribosomal RNA. This rRNA performs the function of protein synthesis. 2. Messenger RNA. The RNA molecule that carries the information of protein synthesis from genes, that is DNA chain in the cell nucleus, to ribosomes in the cytoplasm, which produce the proteins, is called messenger RNA. Its function is to carry coded information from DNA to ribosomes. 3. Transfer RNA. The RNA molecule, which according to the message of the messenger RNA carries the amino acid up to the ribosomes, is called transfer RNA. Its function is to carry amino acid. Why is it necessary for people to have their blood examined before marriage? Answer: many people are carriers of the genetic diseases. They are not aware of it too. If mother and father both are carriers, there are greater chances of their young one to become a victim of genetic condition such as sickle cell anemia, AIDS, thalassemia, different types of syndrome conditions, erythroblastosis fetalis, etc. Such diseases comes with the birth and ends with the death. Hence, to avoid such genetic condition, it is necessary for the people to have their blood examined before marriage. Question 4. Write a brief note on each. Down syndrome. Answer: Down syndrome is a disorder arising due to chromosomal abnormalities. This disorder is characterized by the presence of 47 chromosomes. It is described as trisomy of the 21st chromosomes. Infants with the disorder have 1 extra chromosomes with the 21st pair in every cell of their body. Children suffering from Down syndrome are usually mentally retarded. Other symptoms include short height, short white neck, flat nose, short fingers, scanty hair, single horizontal crease on palm, and a life expectancy of about 60 to 20 years. Monogenic disorders. Answer: when there is mutation in any single gene into a defective gene, then it causes monogenic disorders. Due to abnormal genes, the protein synthesis does not take place properly. Therefore, their products are either produced in deficient amounts or are not produced at all. It causes abnormal metabolism leading to death at a tender age. There are 4,000 different disorders of this type. Example: Hutchinson's disease, Tay-Sachs disease, phenylketonuria, sickle cell anemia, cystic fibrosis, albinism, hemophilia, night blindness, etc. are all monogenic disorder. Sickle cell anemia, symptoms and treatment. Answer: symptoms: swelling of hands and legs, pain in joints, severe general body ache, frequent cold and cough, constant low-grade fever, exhaustion, pale face, low hemoglobin content. Treatment remedies: premarital blood checkup should be done. A carrier or sufferer should never marry with another carrier or sufferer, or if they marry, they should not have children. Sufferers should regularly and daily take tablet of folic acid. Question 5. How are the atoms in groups A, B and C interrelated? Group A, Group B, Group C. Leber hereditary optic neuropathy. B. Answer: mitochondrial disorder. C. Answer: this disorder arises during development of zygote. Diabetes, polygenic disorder. Effect on blood glucose level. Albinism, monogenic disorder. Pale skin, white hairs. Turner syndrome. 45 plus X chromosome. Women are sterile. Klinefelter syndrome. 44 plus XXY chromosome. Men are sterile. Question 6. Fill in the blanks based on the given relationship. A. 44 plus X chromosome, Turner syndrome. 44 plus XXY chromosomes, Klinefelter syndrome. B. 3:1 monohybrid. 9:3:3:1 dihybrid. C. Women, Turner syndrome. Men, Klinefelter syndrome. Question 7. Complete the tree diagram below based on types of hereditary disorders. Genetic disorders is get classified into chromosomal abnormalities, monogenic disorders, mitochondrial disorders, polygenic disorders. Chromosomal abnormalities is again classified into abnormality in structure and abnormality in number. Abnormality in number is again classified into increase in number and decrease in number. Increase in number, autosomes, example Down syndrome. Increase in sex chromosomes, example Klinefelter syndrome. Decrease in number, example Turner syndrome. Monogenic disorders, example albinism, example sickle cell anemia. Mitochondrial disorders, example Leber hereditary optic neuropathy. Polygenic disorders, example diabetes, blood pressure. Dear students, easy and point-wise answers are specially made for you. For writing questions and answer, please take the screenshot of slide for the required question. If you like the video, press the like button, subscribe my channel for more chapter videos, and press the bell icon for notification. Thank you.